So hey guys, and I'm back for another video. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to prank in Minecraft. So first thing first, you need to build a mini house, any kind of house. Next, uh, get some pressure plate, some TNT. Here it is. Next, dig some dirt, place some TNT. Okay, get some grass. Okay, so open the doors, place some TNT over here, any place you want. Oops, sorry. Just do the same thing. I'm going to see you in a few minutes. Okay, so after you place some TNT, place some pressure plate, just like that. And you can now change it on the difficulty. Okay, so I'm going to invite Easy Gaming 21 for this video. So see ya. Oh, sorry. So there he is. Easy Gaming 21. Hey, go in the house. Just like that. Next, build some kind of this. So I have a tutorial video on how to make this. I call this an arrow firing machine gun. So you just survival the game, and you just press the button just like that. So to make it more specify, oh sorry, so just like that. So create some world, make it a creative, so play. So mark the position that you respawn. Get some TNT again, some pressure plates, just like that. Put some TNT, cover that with a grass block, and put some pressure plates, just like that. So I'm going to invite again Easy Gaming 21 to play with me. So just waiting for him. So here he is. So guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a like on this video. Subscribe for more video like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.